At some point, I had a new client who expressed to me that before she met me, that one of the things that she was understandably concerned about was that maybe I was mostly just doing this for money or something like that. So I want to talk about that a little bit. And yeah, for those of you who have not met me, who don't know me, I definitely do not do this for the money. Um, I had an established career as an environmental scientist that I could have stayed with or went back to. And I also had a established, profitable business selling books and other items online. Um, yeah, both of which, from a financial perspective, would have been much easier to continue doing than starting what was what was earlier, a new business doing therapeutic cuddling and self-growth coaching and doing workshops about these things. Yeah, it would have been much easier if all I cared about was money. And why I chose to do this, though, is that I care. That I care about this work. I care about creating more safety in the world and creating safe spaces in my sessions and in my workshops. I care about helping people feel loved and helping them see the really beautiful, amazing people they already are, and helping them see what I see. I do this because the world needs this, because it matters. The world needs more healthy, safe, platonic, soothing touch. Humanity needs that. Humanity needs better communication skills that help everyone get more what they want while respecting boundaries and promoting consent and safety. I do this because I care about helping people heal. I feel like we all need a safe space and a place to grow in the ways we want to and let go of the things that no longer serve us. So I could say a lot more, and that's part of why I do this work. Thank you.